Guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General, and man, do we have a lot to go over. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. The holidays are right around the corner, so please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Now, first up, just a quick heads up that I'm going to be uploading a second video for you all this morning very soon, because today is Sunday. We just received all of our new digital coupons. We do have a couple of run deals that we need to talk about, plus some glitches. I was just informed yesterday that the notifications have not been working like they should be, so again, y'all make sure that you hit that thumbs up button and always check back with the YouTube channel regularly. That way you don't miss out on any deals. All right, now let's go ahead and jump into our new clearance markdowns for this week at Dollar General. First up, we have Jack Link's beef jerky going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, November the 14th. And here's a look at all the different Jack Links that are going to be included in this markdown. I believe we have a total of 6 different ones. The regular price is on your screen along with their UPC code. Keep in mind, a lot of these will be found up near the registers. All right, next up we have our Halloween categories going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday. So these are dropping fast. This will include our Halloween seasonal, Halloween apparel, socks, party supplies, and the Halloween candy. It should all be 70% off starting on Tuesday, November the 14th. And don't forget, we do have that digital coupon for 2 off 10 for the Mars Wrigley candy, and that is working on the Mars Wrigley Halloween candies. Next up, we have dinnerware going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, November the 14th. Here's a look at a few of the items that are included in this category, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned. I am putting together a hidden clearance video, and I will include some more visuals in that video. I should have that one up for you all tomorrow. So again, make sure that you stay tuned, turn on those notifications, and hit that thumbs up button. Now next up, we have our Yellow Dot and Green Star apparel, shoes, and accessories going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday. Now, we have some really neat items included in these categories. Everything from purses, little backpacks, we have jewelry, even power banks for your phone. So I've already put together a visual video with tons of pictures and UPCs for you all. So if you want to go and check that out, I'm going to leave it linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Next up, we also have our back to school stationery and hardware categories going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday. And this is another really neat category. We have all kinds of really awesome items. Here we have those cord clips, we have fans, we have pens, we have pencils. And again, if you want to check out all the items that are included in these categories, I have already uploaded a video going over each and every item with the UPC code, regular price, and visuals for you all. So I'm going to leave that video linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, also going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, we have our July 4th seasonal category. Now, unfortunately, I have not had time to put together a full visual video for this category. However, here are a few items that I've been finding around my stores along with the UPC and the regular price. They're all red, white, and blue. Hopefully, they'll stand out to you and you guys can get in on some really good deals. Next up, here are some really exciting categories. We have our patriotic party items. We also have our spring and summer stationery and party supplies. So 3 different categories, all going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, November the 14th. Keep in mind that there are some other items included in these categories like crayons. We also have a few coloring books. And lucky for us, I have already put together a full visual video going over all 3 categories. I tried to make it as easy as possible, so I went ahead and grouped all 3 of those party supply and stationery categories into one visual video for you all. So that's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, up next, we have 3 huge categories, and I'm talking hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different items included in these categories, and they are all going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday. So we have our lawn and garden, and we also have our pink square swim and summer toys, and we also have our green dot home categories, all going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, November the 14th. Now, unfortunately, I have not had time to put together a full visual video for each of these categories because, like I said, we're talking hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands and thousands of different items included in all 3 of these categories. and even double that amount of pictures and UPC codes that I have saved in my phone. So it's a lot of work. It's very time consuming. So I thought, you know what? Let's go ahead and just spend our time a little bit more wisely. I'm going to go through all of my pictures. I'm going to find all the items that are going to be considered hidden clearance items. So maybe they don't have a green dot on the price tag like these beach towels do right here. Maybe they don't have the pink square on the price tag. Maybe they don't have a lawn and garden price tag. So I'm going to go through all of my pictures, find all of those items, kind of get them organized for us, and I will have that video uploaded for you all at some point tomorrow. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications, and hit that thumbs up button. And last but not least, on our new clearance markdowns, we have these swim diapers going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday. Here's a look at the 3 items included in this category. We have large, medium, and small, and the UPC code is on your screen. Now let's go ahead and jump into our penny list for this week at DG. But do not forget that we do not ask employees about penny items. That is the #1 rule to penny shopping. All you need to do is go into your local Dollar General store, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video, scan them with your Dollar General app, and if the price shows up at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. And as always, the penny policy is posted over on the community tab. So this week at DG, we have select insecticides going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, November the 14th. Here's a look at all the individual items that are included in this category. We do have 3 different pick brand items that are going to be included. UPC codes are on your screen. We also have the 2-pack value pack of the Off Deep Woods bug repellent. We also have the little buggable wristbands going down to 1 penny, as well as the Spectricide wasp and hornet spray. And we also have the Raid Ant Barrier. So be on the lookout for those items. Don't forget to go and check out those 3 visual videos on the spring and summer apparel, shoes, and accessories, the back to school items, and all of the party supplies. All those videos will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And of course, make sure that y'all stay tuned because I've got the new coupons video coming up next. We have run deals, glitches, freebies, you name it. We've got a lot to talk about. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.